What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And man, this is going to be a good video, people. Y'all going to want to stick around to the end. Aron has tweeted, and it's been quite a while since I sat down and did a video concerning interpreting one of Aron's tweets. But something in this tweet right here shocked me. And I just got through telling Donahue about it, and I said, "Ain't that's odd, isn't it?" And he's like, "Yeah, that is quite odd." And I'll tell you what it is at the end of the video. But let's take a look at the tweet. In the FUD busting department, sounds like Tony DeNaro, FUD busters. I keep reading on my X Twitter feed many comments that I should buy more AMC shares to show my confidence in the company. It happens to be against U.S. securities laws for me to do so right now. It is important that you understand these 4 points. Then he goes on the list. Number 1, which I thought was pretty interesting when he said that, where is it at? Right there. And more than any other individual AMC shareholder on the entire planet, of whom I am aware. So he's bragging that he has more shares of AMC than anybody else on the planet, and he can't buy shares right now. Okay? He can't buy shares right now. Now, the second point was, I have not sold even one AMC share in more than 3 years. I ride with you. Please, I wish this son of a bitch would quit saying he rides with me. He don't ride with me. He rides with Goldman Sachs. He allowed Goldman Sachs to sell 50 million shares of AMC that they did not have into the open market to unsuspecting retail investors. Then he took that money and they gave it to Aron for 50 million shares, and now they claim that they own 50 million shares. But what about the 50 million shares that they sold naked? So you don't ride with us. Number 3, I lead AMC fully knowing that more than 2/3 of my target compensation is in AMC stock rather than in cash. I am not given these shares. I work hard for these shares, he said. You sure do work hard, because Donahue's one of the first one to comment, and we're going to see what he commented about how hard Aron works. If I did not value AMC stock, I could choose to work elsewhere. That's what we've been saying. Why don't you just leave, son of a bitch? You worse than... Anyway, people, I don't want to get my emotions into the video, just out the facts. And most importantly, for quite some time now, I personally have been in possession of what is known as MNPI, Material Non-Public Information. It is patently against U.S. law for a CEO of a public traded company to buy its stock. Illegal, period, no ifs, and or buts. And then he posted the Elmer Fudd, FUD busting, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And when I was getting prepared for this video, aka that means getting ready to blow a blunt, I looked at this picture and I said, holy shit. So I went through all the comments, because I can't believe we missed this. And we see Donahue George's comment. Is it illegal for a CEO to conspire with naked shorters, like Goldman Sachs, to demolish the price of the company's stock? Because when they did that forward agreement, the stock crashed. And they were able, man, to cash in on retail investors losing all that money again. But I went through all the comments, people, and nobody made the connection. Well, one person. And there's 1,000 comments. Somebody was commenting about, you make all that damn money and you got a tacky ass suit like that. You represent AMC, son bitch. Only one person out of 1,000 comments spotted what I did too. The Bitcoin on Elmer Fudd's hat. Why would the Bitcoin symbol be on Elmer Fudd's hat? All right. Because I understand Fudd, he's Elmer Fudd, and fear, uncertainty, and doubt, so I get the picture. But why the Bitcoin symbol? And then I got with Donahue and I got to thinking, I said, Donahue, didn't GME just buy Bitcoin? They just bought a shitload of Bitcoin, I think. I don't keep up with that news, but didn't they buy a Bitcoin reserve or start a Bitcoin reserve or something like that? And he's like, yeah, they did. And I said, my God, is Aron planning on buying Bitcoin like GME did, like Ryan Cohen did for that's Donahue, like GME did? Are we about to get a Bitcoin reserve in AMC? Will that be a good idea? Hmm. No, that's just another way for them to rip us off with more money because they manipulate the crypto market too. So, but I'm just curious, what do you think? Could he have been hinting right here that he couldn't buy any shares right now, and he is the largest shareholder of AMC, and that he vested interest in the stock price AMC, and now we see the Bitcoin on Elmer Fudd's hat? Do you think it's possible that he could be buying a Bitcoin reserve, and what effect do you think that would have on AMC? Comment down below. Like, subscribe, hit notification. I'll be blessed, and I'll see you in the video.